Happy morning, everybody. Welcome to Super Morning, Morning Rituals, and welcome to Super Story Time, a time where we listen to wonderful, beautiful stories and we become thought leaders. Let's get started. Can we give Yukta a big round of applause? Yes, and also for Zan a big round of applause. Let's begin with our Super Story Time. This farming village, they had a common challenge where there'll be a lot of pests and a lot of birds. These birds would often attack the farms and would eat the grains and all that flowers, fruits, whatever it was. They were struggling with it. And in this village, there is this boy who was a very good artist. He would paint, he loved painting and all that. Now, a village which has got a lot of challenges where there are a lot of birds, pesky birds, who would actually eat the fruits and the vegetables and all of that. And there is this boy who is actually a good artist. Now, how do you think they'll solve this issue? Simple story, short story, come on.
Coach, he'll probably draw some crops and then the birds will attempt to eat that.
Draw some crops.
He draws a picture of scarecrow.
Nice. One of the good suggestions, yes. Scarecrow, then what else? There are no right or wrong answers in this. Just come up with different things what they can do.
He could draw like life-size versions of humans.
Okay, nice. Dishan, come on.
He drew a farm in his picture and then put it here and the birds came.
Can you repeat that again, dear?
He drew a picture of the farm and then put it here and the birds got attracted to it, thinking it's
Okay, nice, good, good.
But maybe he drew a picture of the bird's predators.
Sorry?
Maybe he drew a picture of bird's predators.
Okay, very nice. Come on, Rohit, everybody contribute. Shashikala ji, come on, Annie, come on, contribute. Sudhanshi, Vishal.
But maybe he can do.
Sorry?
He could have drawn a net in which few birds are trapped and another beside net in which they might be trapped.
Okay, nice. Rohit, you were saying something. Then Rohit, come on. Guys, think of something.
What it was similar to Sudhanshu Coach. Basically, you put a cage in a cage with a trapped bird, and birds will get scared.
Nice.
And arranging for some tool which makes some sound for which the bird get scared.
Okay. Yukta, keep your focus here, Yukta. Your focus is somewhere. Is there somebody else there? Then focus here, no?
He could draw a scary illusion.
Sorry?
He could draw a scary illusion.
Scary illusion. Very nice. Great. One of more suggestions would be he made a lot of kites, colorful, different pattern, this thing, and all the other kids made kite. They flew the kites and all the things, and those scary kites scared the birds and all that. So nice, wonderful, everybody, great participation. Yes. So, what did we learn from this story? What did we learn?
Solution.
problem has a solution.
Every challenges have got solution. You need to be solution minded. You can use a lot of your skills. Each and every one of you got a lot of skills, talents, and gifts and presence that you have within you. Use it to find out how you can actually make or actually solve world related problems. World has got a lot of challenges, isn't it? A lot of issues are there, from plastics to clean water, clean fresh air, and so many other challenges are there in the world. So be a thought leader. Come up with different ways. Use your talent how you can fix and find ways.
Which
Yeah.
a solution can come in any way. It doesn't
Uh,
have to be the perfect way.
yes. Solution can be in any way. Wonderful.
Use
Different
your
different ways.
talent wisely.
Use your talent wisely. Very nice.
Where there
Coach,
is a
every
will, there is a
talent,
way.
Sorry?
Where there is a will, there is a way.
Sure. Wonderful.
coach, every talent has a skill with it. Like if you have art as your talent, you will have creative thinking.
Super. Wonderful. Everybody sit in Vajrasana quickly.
Don't fear when you get challenges. Take a pause and think about that.
Super.
Don't get scared of challenges. Face that.
Great. Yukta, please unmute. Yes. Everybody close your eyes. Sit in Gyan Mudra. Bhuvnesh, can you please mute and sit down? Yeah. Everybody close your eyes. And today we'll also have prayers for Yukta. Yukta is starting her 10th journey. She's starting today. We'll have a prayer for her. Everybody close your eyes for 1 minute. Let's start with alternate nasal breathing. Left in, right out, right in, left out. Continue to sit in Vajrasana. Deep breathing.
Be breathing 6 counts. Hum. 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 Energize the lower sphere energy to high speed, high energy, high intensity. Start. Dr. Ram, let's start with our gratitude. Thank you, Sal. Thank you, Sal, for being such an amazing person. Always so kind, always so caring. Thank you, Sal, for being focused on your goals, for being focused on yourself. Thank you, Sal, for doing everything properly, for being kind, for being caring, for being compassionate. Thank you, Sal, for always focusing on your goals, for moving towards your goals every single day. Thank you, Sal, for doing everything properly. Thank you, Sal, for being humble, for being grounded. Thank you, Sal, for having gratitude. Thank you, Self, for being a critical thinker, a logical thinker, a creative thinker. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, two brothers of support, your mom and your dad, for always being there for you. They've given you everything you need, whether it's food to eat, a shelter to live in, or clothes to wear. They've given you love and care throughout your life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, gurus, your teachers, your coaches. Thank them for helping you find your talent, for helping you use it as a skill, for helping you to use to solve all of your challenges. Thank them. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank Mother Nature for giving resources like food, water, and oxygen. Without these resources, we wouldn't be alive today. Thank the God, the Almighty, for giving a soul the purpose, a soul the why, a soul with a mission and vision. Thank the God, the Almighty, for giving everything in abundance, whether it's life, health, wealth, education, money, everything. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Visualize the bright white light coming right towards you. This bright white light goes through your head, goes down your face, your neck, your chest, your hands, your fingers, your fingertips. It goes down your stomach, your thighs, your knees, your calves, and your toes. Head to toe, toe to head, fully blessed with bright white light. Now, on the right seat of mind, to visualize our goals, our purpose, our mission and vision. Visualize all of your long-term goals, short-term goals, your goals for today, goals tomorrow. Start.
Let's send out prayers for Yukta. She's starting a new academic journey today. Yukta, we wish you all the best. You're going to do well. You're going to do awesome. You're going to do amazing. You're going to be excelling in everything you do. Slowly let go of your hands. Let's do the declarations.
I'm amazing. I'm powerful.
I'm powerful.
I'm kind.
I'm kind.
I'm humble.
I'm humble.
I'm grounded.
I'm grounded.
I'm a critical thinker.
I'm a critical thinker.
I'm a logical thinker.
I'm a logical thinker.
I'm a creative thinker.
I'm a creative thinker.
I use my talent as a skill.
I use my talent as a skill.
I use my talent to solve all of my challenges.
I use talent to solve all my challenges.
I use my talents to move a bit closer to my goal.
I use my talents to move towards my goals.
I'm amazing.
I'm amazing.
I have gratitude.
I have gratitude.
I'm grateful to anything and everything.
I'm grateful to anything and everything.
I'm grateful to anyone and everyone.
I'm grateful to anyone and everyone.
I'm a powerful presenter.
I'm a powerful presenter.
I'm a confident communicator.
I'm a confident communicator.
I'm lovable.
I'm lovable.
I'm capable.
I'm capable.
I'm valuable.
I'm valuable.
I am a superb human.
I am a superb human.
Raindrop claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoosh. First one. Second one. Last one. Open these walls in my place.
Wonderful. Everybody live purposefully, live powerfully. You're superb humans. All the best, Yukta. Love you, dear. Take care.
Thank you, Coach.
Thanks, Ekta.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.